why DIY your immigration application is a bad idea. They might hit information from other friends. They got an invitation, or colleagues, they got invitation, and seems they did not engage with anybody. And this is a huge mistake by saying, we have the same profile. If they lodge themselves, I should be eligible too. Or I heard someone told me they did not engage with the immigration lawyer. First of all, you don't know whether they asked me questions, yeah? Whether or not they actually engaged. They actually engaged immigration lawyer, but they did not tell you because you did not access the application. You did not sit there with them, right? And you did not do anything about that. So a huge mistake that you think someone else got it, you should get it too. Okay. The second one, huge mistakes. Why DIY is better idea? Because you believe you have better profile than your colleagues, their friends, and you should be invited. You have no idea. It's nothing about your profile. Again, it's nothing about profile. I'm sure you're an intelligent person. It is what you provided to the department, right? You might submit incomplete application. They might got assistant with someone. Even their profile looks really weak compared to yourself, weaker than yourself. They got invitation. Again, nobody really care about your level of intelligence. They want evidence. They want backup. And you did not check your friends. And then you just pass those, oh, I have better profile. Why on earth I haven't got invited? And my friend, he's not that intelligent than me, clever than me, and I don't think he has any achievement. Because you neglect the whole immigration process, because you did it yourself. Okay, you did it yourself. DIY is bad idea. Third one, why DIY is a bad idea? It is you believe if you know what you do, you can express correctly, accurately. That is different concept. Now, if you're in the industry for many years, you know that. Why some people can take our credits of our hard working and you feel frustrated. Why is that? Because some people are able to express their idea freely, accurately on stage. They're able to present their idea and you can't. Even you did your work, you can't express freely, accurately. That's a bad idea to submit, because if you can't express it freely, accurately, and then whatever expression is in writing or verbally, it's putting yourself into disadvantage. Might be a situation, it's really common sense, to understand. You might have done a lot of work with your professor. You are the person who did the work, right? Wrote everything. But at the end, who's the first author? Who's the last author? Maybe your professor is better to convey this message to audience, right? And that's why they're experts. You see what I'm talking about, yeah? Because you're not able to convey your message to the audience, specific audience, in this case, the decision maker. There's some 3 reasons why DIY is a bad idea. So you have misunderstanding of people, someone else got it. You're not able to express your own ideas accurately. Third one, because you really don't know. You should actually provide evidence, not just think you have evidence. Alright, DIY is really bad idea. Now, the reason why I'm actually provide this information on YouTube is really about us, give people advice. And then obviously I'll be judged and criticized and so this and that. But it provides you free advice so you can make better judgment. Always find an immigration expert, particularly checking if they're registered migration agent. You want to check someone who's actually registered. Give them a call, and then that you don't talk to a salesperson. You want to talk to someone who's the expert themselves. There's a bunch of people now there in Australia with 7,000 Australian immigration lawyers registered with Mara. Then a bunch of them, you should always consult with them and ask for advice. Sometimes free is better, but nothing is free. You want to do work, then people pay for the professional service. Now, I hope this one helped you.